and drop all your rounds on the right side. For you, ma'am, left side.
Now, they must go to the dump tank. I say again, as far as your target.
35 for you. Get you a good sight picture. You just look.
New fire, official weapon at the base of the fighting position, step back to an engineer tape, drop your kids, stand by. Capabilities. Drop
So
your
we're
kids,
just gonna
stand by.
go 1, 2. We're gonna be very conservative. Looks like this is your middle. 1, 2. Then don't chase it, right? Just look at the same target.
Yeah.
Shoot one. What we're looking for, because right now we're just grouping. You have a good group, because I guess you applied what you learned from earlier class.
Bring you guys right back up, all right?
All right, don't change anything, okay?
No magazine, sir. Leave your mag.
Yeah, leave your magazine here.
Inside the middle. So regardless, you group, but you're gonna have to zero, right? And you need to consider. Where's your fifth one?
Just know, you have a